Hari Om, Namaste. This Kala Bhairava Ashtakam is written by, composed by Adi Shankaracharya. Ashtakam means there will be 8 shlokas in it. We will see the first shloka from Kala Bhairava Ashtakam. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyalayagnya Sutram Indu Shekharam Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashikapuradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyalayagnya Sutram Indu Shekharam Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. So in this Ashtakam, the last line will always be Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. I do my namaskarams, I do my stotram to the Adhipati, the Natha of Kashi Kshetram, who is that Kala Bhairavar. So I do my namaskarams to that Kala Bhairavar, who is the Adhipati of Kashi Kshetram. And how is this Kala Bhairavar is described in the other 3 padas of the shloka. We'll see that now. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam. Angri means Padam. Pankajam means Kamalam, lotus. So Kala Bhairava's Pada Kamalam is served, Sevyamana, by whom? Devaraja, Devendra, by Indra. So I do my namaskarams to that Kala Bhairava, whose Angri Pankajam, whose Pavana Angri Pankajam, whose Pavitra Pada Kamalam is served by Devendra. Second Pada, Vyala Yajna Sutram Indushekharam Kripakaram. Furthermore, how is this Kala Bhairavar? What is he wearing? He is wearing Vyala, means Sarpa, snake. He is wearing a Sarpam as his Yajna Sutram, Upavitam. Indushekharam. He is adorned with the Chandra on his forehead. See, Kala Bhairavar is an Amsham of Mahadeva. So all that Mahadeva has, his Amsham Kala Bhairava will also have. So he is adorned with Chandra on his forehead. Kripakaram. He is very compassionate towards he is a Karuna Murti. He is very compassionate towards his bhaktas. Third Pada, Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam. He is worshipped by whom? Narada. Adi means etc. He is worshipped by Narada and other Yogi Vrinda. Vrinda means Samuha. He is worshipped by Narada and other Yogi Samuha. Digambaram. Ambaram means Vastram. So he is wearing the Dik as his Vastram. See, he is Akasha Tattvam, Sarva Vyapi. So, Digambaram Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. All of these are adjectives. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Kripakaram Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Digambaram Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. So, all of these namas in the first 3 padas are adjectives to Kala Bhairava. So I do my namaskarams to that Kala Bhairava, who is the Adhipati of Kashi Kshetram, whose Pavana Angri Pankajam, whose Padakamalam, whose Pavitra Padakamalam is served by Devendra, who wears Sarpam as his Yajna Sutram Upavitam, who adorns a Indu Shekharam, a Chandra on his forehead. Kripakaram, he is very compassionate. He is a Karuna Murti to his bhaktas, who is worshipped by Narada and other Yogi Samuha, who wears Dik as his Vastram. To such a Kala Bhairavam, Aham Bhaje, I do my Namaskarams. Tamilla Sollanunaka, காஷி க்ஷேத்திரத்தின் அதிபதியான அந்த கால பைரவருக்கு என் நமஸ்காரங்கள். எப்படிப்பட்ட கால பைரவர்? தேவேந்திரனால் சேவிக்கப்படுகின்ற பவித்திரமான பாத கமலங்களை உடையவருக்கு என் நமஸ்காரங்கள். சர்ப்பத்தை யக்ஞோபவீதமாக பூனலாக அணிந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் அவருக்கு என் நமஸ்காரங்கள். இந்துசேகரம் பிறைச்சந்திரனை தலையில் சூடிக்கொண்டிருக்கும் அவருக்கு என் நமஸ்காரங்கள். பக்தர்களுக்கு கிருபையை பொழியும் அவருக்கு, நாரதர் முதலிய யோகி சமூகத்தினால் வணங்கப்படும் அவரை, திக்கை அம்பரமாக வஸ்திரமாக அணிந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் அவரை, இப்படிப்பட்ட காஷி க்ஷேத்திரத்தின் அதிபதியான அந்த காலபைரவருக்கு என் நமஸ்காரங்கள். We'll see the shloka again. Devaraja sevyamana pavanangri pankajam vyalajna sutram indushekhram kripakaram naradadi yogi vrinda vanditam digambaram kashikapuradhinatha kala bhairavam bhaje. Ram Ram Ram.